Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Redlight chain token. Ticker symbol is Redlc. This token's doing very well. Right now it's up 60.07% just today. It's been listed on CoinMarketCap in the past couple days. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on its own chain, of course, Redlight chain. So if you look at the block explorer, it'll take you over to redlightscan.finance. They also have their own Twitter listed on here at Redlight. Discord and Medium, you can find those on CoinMarketCap as well. And their webpage is redlight.finance. So if we scroll down, it'll show you where you can get this token on CoinMarketCap. So right now it says you can get this off of xt.com. So if you don't have an XT account, you can just go into the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, search XT, download the application, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section, search Redlc, which is the ticker symbol, and then you would simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So if you go to their official webpage, it says they do have a bunch of different white papers coming soon. If you click on white papers, there is one Redlight chain white paper. That one's available, but then it says Scarlet chain white paper. They have that as well. And they have a Dawn swap white paper coming soon. Midnight trades white paper coming soon. Twilight Trust coming soon. So these are all things within their ecosystem. They're in the midst of building their project right now. So the two things that are available right now is the Redlight chain and Scarlet chain as well. So you can check both those white papers out. The Redlight chain white paper is 12 pages long. It's pretty tiny print. It'll probably take you a little while to read, but not too long. Some white papers are like 50 to 100 pages, so it's not that big. But so it says this white paper outlines the what Red Chain aims to solve with the blockchain trilemma of scalability, decentralization, and security through the optimizations of our gasless blockchain. We aim to showcase to you how Redlc can be a true bridge from the world of DeFi into real-world business use without sacrificing the use cases of either parties. So the Redlight chain is a layer 1 Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain. However, it introduces revolutionary changes to the traditional EVM compatible blockchains. Typically speaking, EVM compatible blockchains are trying to solve scalability, decentralization, and security. We at Redlight Finance feel that we have accomplished a solution to these problems through our innovation. Through this white paper, you will read our take on this trilemma and how we have addressed our solutions. So yeah, scalability, security, and decentralization is what this blockchain is trying to solve. Most blockchains try to boost a perfect solution of the blockchain trilemma. However, they usually have flaws in at least one of these three sectors. Our aim with Redlc is to minimize these flaws through the utilization of gasless blockchain, effectively prioritizing scalability naturally so we can focus on decentralization and security. So scalability is a vital part of organizations, business, and ideas. It refers to how much The said entity can grow while maintaining core functionality, utility, and solution. For a blockchain, scalability refers to the blockchain maintaining its transaction block speeds and output whilst growing and expanding in users' industries. So being gasless in nature and not staking a coin to get another token in return to use for gas, but truly gasless as in zero, Redlc allows the blockchain to be integrated into industries that rely on the passing of the use of information from one point to another, transactions in other words. So then it goes over the problem, and it says scalability with gaming. A perfect example of an industry where scaling is possible is the multi-billion-dollar gaming industry, especially NFT established games. And then it talks about tracking the retail market. So how do we maintain transaction and block speeds? Whilst the overall blockchain scales through adoption, it is necessary for it to also scale through validation. Otherwise, we end up with the blockchain crashing, users facing downtime. The solution to this is similar to the reason Bitcoin almost never has network issues. It's the absolute mass network of proof of work machines. For Redlc, the scaling of validators is essential with the growth of the blockchain. Our plan is with the growth and adoption of our blockchain, we will release batches of validators that will be available for purchase instead of releasing all validators at once and restricting growth. This allows us to grow with the blockchain. During testing blockchains, a 2-second block speed. So, and it talks about decentralization. What's the difference? Blockchain consensus methods, POW. It shows pictures on here how POW, POS, POA, and computers and earnings. Talks about security. How they want to solve the security issues, and what happens during congestion. And the future of crypto being gasless. Redlight has achieved the solution of having a truly gasless blockchain. Unlike other proclaimed gasless blockchains, Redlc does not require users to stake a governance coin to receive a governance token to use for gas. Kind of repeats itself there, but that's all right. So it says starting supply of this token is 210 million, and goal supply is 21 million. And max transaction size is 2 MB. It talks about governance and burning. So they're going to be burning, obviously, if they're starting at 210 million, going down to 21 million. And and they have a big conclusion on here. So check this all out. You can find a lot of info at redlight.finance. You can go over their other white paper too for the Scarlet chain. And then there's going to be more coming soon. They also have an audit on here. They have a team section, profile pictures, a link to buy this token, all sorts of things on their webpage. So check it out, redlight.finance. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.